Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So today we are going to discuss a very wonderful opportunity from the Deloitte. They are hiring for the data engineering team into AI/ML consultant across multiple cities in India. So if you work with Python, SQL, big data, or machine learning, then this role is for you. Or even if you have got, a wonderful skill sets working with Python, SQL, machine learning, and other technical concepts. Maybe exposure to the big data tools like Hadoop and all that. Then this is one is for right opportunity. This one is right opportunity for you. So now let's discuss the company name and the team. So as you already know, this is for Deloitte, which is one of the big four consulting firm, and this opportunity is a part of the Deloitte's regulatory risk and forensic team, where data, AI, and advanced analytics are used to solve complex risk and compliance challenges for global clients. So let's have the role overview over here. So the role is at a consultant level, so you'll be designing and delivering end-to-end data engineering and AI/ML solutions, working with directly with the clients and internal teams on high-impact projects. So your key responsibilities at this particular one organization or a particular role is going to be somewhat like designing data engineering solutions, building data, deploying machine learning and AI pipelines, along with that working with the large data sets using the Python, PySpark, and SQL, plus collaborating with clients and offshore teams, supporting analytics and risk management initiatives. Along with that, you'll also be supporting a global technical data team as well. So requirement for this particular opportunity is around 3 years of experience, so working with the SQL, Python, PySpark, big data tools like Hadoop and all that. Also, if you have the exposure to other big data tools and advanced knowledge of machine learning concepts, then you'll be given preferences over the others. They have also mentioned some of the good to have skills, which is like CI/CD pipeline knowledge. Along with that, the cloud technologies or platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, plus model deployment using Flask or Fast API, then you will be given preferences if you do have these skill sets. So that's it for the requirements from their end. And now let's discuss the education and location. So location of this job is going to be, as you can see, is Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Pune, or Chennai, Kolkata. That is four locations. Plus, eligibility criteria for this is BE, Tech, MCA, MSc in Computer Science, and yeah, these are all the locations and the skill sets. Now let's discuss why you want to join Daylight. So at Daylight, you get exposure to global clients, strong learning and growth opportunities. Along with that, you'll get a get a chance to work on the cutting edge AI and data engineering projects, plus culture focus, inclusions and innovation as well. So that's it for this opportunity, including this role overview, responsibilities, uh, skills required, educational qualification, and why one should join Daylight. And yeah, and if you are looking for data engineering, AI, ML, Python, or the SQL jobs, then you can check for more job opportunity on the official sites. For this particular job, if you are interested, then we are gonna add the direct link into the description. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible before the deadline. And if you love our content, just do us a favor, like this video, share this to your network, and subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates and career tips. And yes, that's it for this wonderful opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.